I see him. There's 5 of them, they're all bucks. There's one deer right there. And there's 4 of them right there. All those deer were just right outside the tent, like right there, right outside the tent. That was pretty cool. Yeah.
Maybe I can walk out in the background of my picture. Don't move. You were over to sniff it.
Third verse, same as the first, a whole lot louder and a whole lot worse. Third verse,
Same as the first. A whole lot louder and a whole lot worse.
way down young, but not so far up.
Way down young, but not so far up.
Blue Jay down, but we'll wake up.
Blue Jay down, but we'll wake up.
He whooped and he whooped and he whooped all day.
He whooped and he whooped and he whooped all day.
He whooped his head until away.
He whooped his head until away.
Fourth verse, same as the first, a whole lot louder and a whole lot worse.
Hey, only one person. Let's see that
Same
part.
as the first,
A whole lot louder and a whole lot worse.
way down yonder, not so far up.
Way down yonder, not so far up.
Blue Jay down, and whoop it go.
Blue Jay down and whooping.
Steven Alexander says hike on.
Okay, well you guys
What are we planning on doing here, Dawson? What are we doing before we get to shoot the guns?
Making the guns.
Making the bullets.
No, making the guns.
Right, Will? Will, what are we doing here?
Making some bullets, gonna go pew pew, shoot some stuff. Rocket.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to be part of
Oh, there's Connor. We missed him yesterday.
daily vlogs, daily vlog, vlog, trog.
Yeah, guys, they're called casings. Don't get it wrong.
Asking for the velocity of light.
There you go, boy. Time to do 300 times.
We could work it out.
Yeah, I did the calculation in my head once. It was like almost 6. Almost 6. Reaching almost 6. Yeah, they do
Come on, this is fast. Let's go.
There's no coming back. They do a matter of precision. Grain and weight, the faster the
Looks like they actually move pretty slow.
I got it.
60, 50 feet per second.
Does he have to go all the way around till we start?
You guys can start.
Go ahead.
You know the fastest cartridge I'm aware of is actually 204 meter.
The most the fastest velocity?
Yeah.
How many, what is it?
Upwards of 4,700 feet per second.
That's fast.
Firing.
There you go.
Hey, can I go up to there while I'm scoring? First one every time. If I just like stand at the rail.
Huh?
If I stand at the rail while I'm scoring, just to see better. Never mind.
You want to stand up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Mine? No,
It's nice and slow.
Oh,
Keep
not
breath in.
in.
Slow.
I'm not watching that. I'm watching the guys. It's all up to you.
Hit the car, Connor.
Deep breath in. That is good water.
So we're back to camp here, and got a couple people cooking dinner and stuff and whatnot and whatever else. And the shooting thing was actually really cool. Well, I more prefer the actual making of the bullets as to the shooting, but the shooting was still fun. Those guns were really loud. But yeah, so we each got to make 3 rounds and shoot 3 rounds, the ones that we made. So then we shot them, and I hit the target once out of the 3 shots. So I don't think that's that bad. 1 for 3, but you know, especially since you know, a lot of people didn't hit any targets at all. They got 0. As you can probably tell, I'm tired today. Tired now, at the end of the day here. And tomorrow we got an even longer day ahead of us, but luckily tomorrow is our last. But yeah, so tomorrow, right, we have to hike 10 miles. So that's not, like today we hiked like 5 miles, probably closer to 6 if you count like up to our campsite and back. Like we did that a few times, so like 5-ish miles, and then tomorrow we have to hike 10-ish miles. So that's gonna be a long day, but our backpacks are going to be lighter because we're going to have way less food. The food wastes so much. It's insane. But yeah, so I'm just in here, and I'm trying to charge up the old cell phone and get her in gear, because I found out, so today's technically, it's day 3 for us, but it's technically day 4 because we're out here for 10 days, and on the last day we're back at base camp. So technically this is day 4, I guess. On the itinerary it's day 4, so then day 10 we're back at base camp or something like that. So day 4, and then tomorrow's day 5. So I figured I'd charge up my phone tonight, and then see if I can maybe text mom and dad, because it's been a couple days now, about all the cool stuff that's happened, like the mountain lion and stuff. So yeah, that's what's going on now. And we'll see you if anything else happens today, but I don't think it will, so probably just wind up seeing you tomorrow. Hopefully these videos turn out okay. I don't know what they're gonna be like, because it's like I try to film as much as I can during the day, but it's just a lot of walking and it can be kind of miserable at times. So you know, I don't want to watch a video of me being miserable hiking, you know, for long stretches of time. Like, that's no fun for anybody. It's not fun for you to watch, it's not fun for me to watch, it's not fun for me to remember. I just want to remember the cool stuff, like the scenic views. So that's why if these videos wind up coming out kind of weird, that's why. It's just because, like, there's not, you know, how many times can I show you the same view? Yeah, so it's one of those things. But anyway, enough of that. I'll see you later.